In today's video, I'm going to teach you setting up Python in VS Code. We'll start by getting Python installed on your machine. Head to the official Python website and download the latest stable version for your operating system. When you run the installer on Windows, make sure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. This tiny checkbox saves headaches later because it lets your system recognize the Python and pip commands from any terminal. On macOS, the installer typically handles this for you, and on Linux, you'll often already have Python, but the newest version from the site ensures compatibility with tools in VS Code. Next, open Visual Studio Code. On the left side, click the extensions icon in the activity bar. This is where you'll add support for languages and tools. In the search bar at the top, type Python and install the extension published by Microsoft. That's the official one, and it unlocks IntelliSense, linting, debugging, testing, and Jupyter features tailored for Python. Now open the command palette, which is the quick launcher for nearly everything in VS Code. You can click View and then Command Palette, or use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus P on Windows and Linux, or CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac OS. With the palette open, start typing Python select interpreter and choose that option when it appears. You'll see a list of Python interpreters detected on your system. Pick the version you just installed. If you have multiple entries, look for the one with the highest version number or the path that matches your recent install. Selecting the correct interpreter ensures your code runs with the expected version and packages. From here, set up a workspace so VS Code knows where your project lives. Go to File, then Open Folder, and choose or create a folder for your Python work. Working inside a folder helps VS Code manage settings, caches, and terminals consistently. Create a new file and save it with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. The .py extension tells VS Code to treat this as a Python file and activates language features like formatting and code completion. Add a quick test line of code such as print hello world and save the file. Saving is important because the runner will execute the latest saved version of your script. Finally, in the top right corner of the editor, click the Run Python File Play button. VS Code will open a terminal at the bottom, use the interpreter you selected, and display the output. You should see Hello World printed. If not, double check the interpreter selection and that your file is saved. That's it. You've installed Python, configured VS Code, and run your first script. You're ready to build, debug, and explore Python projects with a smooth modern workflow.